family, there's a huge piece of the puzzle that hasn't been fit in, and that's that little girl. Where is Vanessa? Where's her body? Where she's presumed dead? And he does have the answers. Whether it was on PCP or not, he knows what happened to that little girl, according to this jury. What are your thoughts? And do people like Jose Morales in this position ever have a moment of like, you know what, I'm going to come clean? Or is this a case that likely he'll take those secrets to his grave?
I think it's rare. There are a couple circumstances where people, I think, do come clean, but majority of the time, they remain fully silent. I think you're right. In this case, it's very likely that he's the one who can absolutely give some closure, say exactly what happened to little Vanessa. And the fact that he's not doing that it's tricky because it sort of seems like an aggravating circumstance, but the judge is being very smart and trying not to focus too much on Vanessa, simply because if the judge focuses on something that Jose was not convicted of, this would be grounds for appeal. And if she gave the 65-year sentence, that could be appealed if she focuses on something where there was no conviction.
Yeah, well, she did a great job, Sherry Murphy, of laying it out on the record. I'm not taking that into consideration at all. Let's go back into the courtroom. Victim impact statement. Let's listen.
My name is Anna Radonsky. Good morning, Your Honor. Thank you for the opportunity to address the court. Can everybody hear me? Our family would like to thank the jury, Attorney Stein, Attorney Durso, Inspector Winkler, Inspector Hyatt, the entire state attorney's office, Ansonia Police Department, members of the FBI, and both victims' advocates for Mika Fountain and Jenny Abuto, and all who took the stand in this trial. I will never know how the vicarious trauma impacted all of you, but we will be forever grateful. My name is Anna Radonsky, and I am the youngest of 6 children. Christine Holloway is my first niece. I called her Chrissy. Debbie, Chrissy's mother, is my oldest sister. My other sister, Kathy, died at 34 years old of lymphoma, and that was the worst day of my life. I didn't think I would experience another worse day like that. However, my beautiful, brilliant, kind, caring, spiritual niece was brutally murdered on 12/2/2019. How does one even begin to start to tell how this has affected my life as well as our family and friends? I would like to start with some background about Chrissy.
All right, we need a break. We'll have more of this emotional sentencing hearing. Plus, our eyes are in Washington. Our next live trial, we're getting ready.